Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to use Google Wallet. So let's start. So first let's go to Wallet and you will find here that we are on Google Wallet already. So what will help us Google Wallet to add tickets, to add events, and this will help you to have on your device without you need physically the ticket or something like that. So the only thing that you have to do is go to add wallet, and here you will have the options. You can add a payment card. If you want to pay with your device, you can do it. Okay, and Google Pay is accepted. So also you have the transit pass. If you use bus, if you have subway, you can use a transit pass and you can add and only you ask your device for enter to this. Also you can add a loyalty card if you are a membership. You can add here and you can enter to your for example something their club or something like that with loyalty card without any problem. And also you can add a gift card if you want to buy something or you have something from Starbucks, for example, you can add your gift card. So also you have here the everything else that is for events. If you have a ticket, you can add here. So the only thing that you have to do is go to select the one that you prefer to add, and when you do it, well, here you can choose for example the transit. You can add something like it's accept on Google Wallet, and then when you do it you can add your transit pass. And if you want to add a credit card you can do it as well, or a loyalty card. You can select and go to loyalty card here and you can select it, for example Starbucks, and you can add and you can only scan your card and that's it. So guys, well, as you can see, it's very easy to do it. I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and keep thumbs up to this video.